Hi everyone. Today we are going to show you our indoor cucumber plants. We have two plants in containers that we are growing. We started at the beginning of April, and my husband bought three seeds from a store and he germinated them, and now it's mid-June and this plant is loaded with cucumbers and we are ready to harvest. This is a very good, nice looking one, and that we are going to harvest today. And this is a west facing window that gets lots of light, and we put some strings so they can vine in the window. And look at this too, and there is the biggest one. From this angle you can see we have lots of flowers, new flowers coming, and there are some more small cucumbers at the bottom side, and also I believe inside there, it's very hard to see. One thing I must say, that growing cucumbers indoor can be a little bit challenging because you have to hand pollinate them. My husband does that using a cotton bud, and we are fertilizing them every 2 weeks. So let's do the harvesting. Beautiful. So this is the first cucumber of our plant. I think I'll leave this one. I think it can grow a little bigger. And we have one in here. Lovely. It brings such a joy and happiness when you can grow your own food, and also in container. Unbelievable. Look at that. Both my kids love cucumbers, and we are very excited to share this harvest today, and hopefully we'll grow more and able to share with our friends. As a plant is growing, we think now it requires lots of water. We are watering them, I think, twice every day, 1 liter each time, like in the morning and also in the afternoon. You can see there are some more cucumbers that will be ready to harvest maybe in a week. They grow super fast, and this is the harvest. This is the final harvest. We have 5 very decent sized cucumbers, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
And they're pretty big as well, see? So I think they're 7 to 8 inches long. So yeah, that's amazing.
This is the spinach we're growing in container. They're growing very fast, and this is a plant I have. This is a Hoya carnosa compacta, or hinterhoop as some people call them. Yeah, I think that's all, and I will keep you guys updated about our plants, and let me know what you're growing in container and how it is going. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and we'll definitely get back to you. Thank you.